Alright, what's up guys? So Tyler made a bet. JC was there to witness it, and he lost. If I pulled a 500-pound sumo deadlift, he has to wear a sports bra now and spandex to his own gym so he can be embarrassed there.
Tyler messed up on the video. There was a video, but he forgot to record because he doesn't know how to use a phone.
Basically, he had the phone up and he was like, I tried to hit the button, but I was looking at you, and then I looked down when you finished and you got the weight, and oh, I didn't press the button.
But he did do it.
Yeah, I did it. I have a lot of witnesses. So, on another note though, my GoPro Karma drone came in, so I'm gonna travel back home to get that, do a little video on that, get some footage, so let's get it. And look what came in. My drone came in. Alright, so my GoPro Karma came in the mail today. And this is a case, but it's also a backpack, which is pretty cool because I know they have backpacks at Best Buy that are like 80 bucks. And I was gonna buy one, but now I don't have to buy one. But now I just want to open this thing up. Before I started recording, I opened that and that, but got a little too happy, man.
You okay?
Damn. Let's take this thing out of there.
Why'd you just growl?
Whoa. Look at that thing.
Oh, that's cool.
That thing's a staunch.
So what?
It's a staunch. You know what a staunch is? This thing, look at this remote. Alright, so the coolest thing about this drone is that right there is the simulator. So you don't even have to fly this to you don't have to learn to fly this by actually flying it. You can just simulate it, which is great. Because I already flew the one she got me for Christmas on a roof.
The day after you got it.
Yeah, and to be honest, I don't know where it is, but...
What?
I'm just kidding.
Wait, do you actually not know where it is?
What? So anyways, oh, look at that. You know, I had to get the GoPro 7. The best thing about the 7 is, before, if you go over like bumps, it'd be shaky, but for the 7, they killed the shakiness, so the stabilization in the 7 is crazy. So you know how to pick that up. Over here, I don't know how this is gonna... Oh, okay. Stop falling. I don't even know what I'm doing. Whoa.
Where are the wings?
These little legs. What?
Like where are the
these?
propellers?
These just, yeah, so these are just to cover where the propellers go, I'm pretty sure. I watched a video on it. And then, like, those should be in here somewhere. Oh, this is the battery right here. This thing's huge. Remember the battery on the other drone that you got me?
Mm-hmm.
The battery on the one she got me was like that big. This one is like 55 times the size of that.
55 times?
Yeah, like 50, not even 50. 50. Plastic.
Wait, can I do that part, please?
Okay, sure.
Yes. Satisfying ASMR. Now I'm gonna rip off the plastic wrap.
Just rip it off, you weirdo.
Wait, it's like stuck.
Yeah, I know. Come on.
This actually isn't satisfying anymore.
All
Wait,
right.
no, let me get the side. I can actually do the side.
Nope. It's teamwork.
Okay.
Right?
Satisfaction.
No, it's not even a thing.
Oh. Well, now you're gonna be under the satisfied video section on YouTube.
I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, look at that.
I thought it was gonna be more like climactic than that, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
that was so anticlimactic.
Wait, look, it says swipe up to begin.
Oh, look, this is like... Okay, I got it figured out, Emma. I'm gonna mess around with this thing a little bit more. I think I have to register it online, let the remote and the GoPro and the controller all charge for like 2 hours before I can use it.
3, 2, 2, 1.